what I know, ain't seen what I seen, what the fuck they be talking about. What's up, y'all? I'm back. Back, baby, I'm back. I know it's been a little bit. It's been sooner. You know, my last video actually fucking went through. I don't know if y'all saw my tweet. I made a video last time. Fucking took a long time to do it. Uploaded it, and the fucking sound didn't work. All right. It kind of got me pissed off, honestly. I was like, fuck, I'm done this shit. I didn't want to fucking touch this shit, touch Twitter or YouTube, any of that for a while. I just want to take a little break, especially since the market's been fucking dipping anyway. You know, and sometimes you need to do that. Sometimes you need to take a little break from the whole fucking market. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can't just be fucking on it, fucking watching the charts every goddamn 2 fucking minutes. Y'all gonna stress yourself the fuck out. I'm telling you right now. All right, so calm down, take a chill pill, relax. All right, and yeah, I'm gonna update you guys on some shit. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. All right, I'm back. The king is back. All right. Well, first off, I want to tell you. What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you about this Black Swan event possibly happening? It just happened a little sooner than I expected, honestly. But I told you guys. I told you. You know, in 2 videos ago, literally a week ago, I told you guys about warning of a Black Swan event. You know, I literally said it on the fucking video. Just go back to my YouTube, you'll see it. You know, and just because I saw, everything was just so bullish for so long, I figured, something might be happening soon, especially with all this news, Omicron, the new, COVID and China's, Evergrande crisis I was telling you guys about. These things are big things that are, perfect storm to set up, a crash, which actually just kind of happened. The thing is it over? I don't know. I don't think so. I tweeted you guys. I said I don't think we are out of the woods just yet, and I still don't think we are. So just saying, be careful, y'all. Like I don't think we're out yet. Be smart. Just hold on tight, and things will come back up. Like everything comes back up. Okay. Another thing I want to tell you guys. Okay, listen. You are not alone. Okay, remember that. You are not alone. You're not the only one in red right now. The whole fucking market is in red right now. Okay, anybody in investing is in red right now. Crypto, stocks, anything, everything. Okay, basically all investment assets are all in jeopardy right now because of this. Everybody's scared, so everybody's taking their money out of their investments, crypto, stocks, and putting it back into cash. That's what happens when people get scared. And that's how it works. And that's why when I was telling you guys, when the DXY goes up, the US dollar, when it goes up, usually it's bad signs for crypto investments. Things are going to go down. And I was telling you guys for the past few weeks now to watch out. The DXY keeps shooting up. It keeps shooting up, which means, we could be going down. But even though it is still fishy with inflation and everything, we've printed so many dollars in the past year, how can the DXY be going up? So everything is really fishy right now, okay? It's all fishy. It's all weird. No one knows why. Okay, some of you guys ask, why are we dipping so hard? Okay, I'll tell you the main reason right now. Why do we dip at all? Why do any markets dip? It's easy. Manipulation. That's it. Okay, that's how it's always been. I'm gonna tell you right now, every fucking market is manipulated. Every fucking market is manipulated. Okay, stocks since day one, crypto, housing market, you fucking name it. Guess what? There's manipulation behind it. Why and how? Let me tell you, it's easy. Okay, those with more power are going to manipulate it. Okay, and that's just easy. That's just how it is. If you have more power, you're going to try to work it, to better you. And that's it's basically what they're fucking doing. Look, in this past week when they crashed it, okay, fucking, it was a liquidation play too. Anybody who was playing with leverage, guess what? All y'all got wiped out. All y'all. That's why I kind of stopped playing with leverage because I got wiped out before too from some stupid shit, and I was doing good, and all of a sudden, boom, again, this manipulation. They'll just pour that candle wick straight down hard. So if you don't set up a stop loss, you're fucked. My case was I did set up a stop loss, and I still got fucked. That was KuCoin. Okay, so I'll tell you right now, KuCoin, y'all fucked me over. I had a stop loss on, and y'all still fucked me. Some bullshit. So be careful. I'm gonna tell you right now, be careful doing leverage on KuCoin. I like KuCoin for spot because they got other, gem coins that you can't get other places. But leverage, man, I'm telling you right now, I don't know. Careful with fucking leverage KuCoin. But anyways, yes, it was a liquidation play. You know, they I think 1.2 billion dollars are liquidated instantly just this weekend or this Friday. It's fucking nuts. So, you know, those motherfuckers made out. Okay, and you guys, I want to ask, who's manipulating? Who do you think? The institutions, the billionaires, the hedge funds, the big motherfuckers, the guys who actually have enough money to manipulate it. Okay, and this is, let me tell you, this is how it works. This is how it works in all markets. Okay, these guys, you know, billionaire guys, they get together, they start a club, they call it a hedge fund, you know, and say we're going to play the market. It really is, we're going to manipulate the fucking market. That's how it is. You know, think about it. When you got, you know, a group of a few fucking billionaires all to come together, they put their fucking money together. They can control the market. Okay, they can buy, you know, so much at a time, make that shit rise up like a motherfucker, make you guys FOMO in, like, look, this crypto or this stock or this thing is going to fuck up. And you buy in probably up top when it's already fucking like, you know, looking like it's so juicy. They're going to tell you on the news and everywhere else that it's going to keep going, it's going to keep going, it's going to keep going. You know, and then you buy up top. And you know what happens? After that, they fucking liquidate your ass. They fucking sell that bitch up top and just, boom, take all your fucking money. And that's how they've been doing it since day one. Stocks, crypto, everything. This is how they've been fucking doing it. Okay, so it's just something you guys gotta learn. You know, this is how they play the game. You know, and like no one was able to see this fucking crash. Okay, nobody. I wasn't able to see it. I mean, I was able to kind of predict like it might be happening soon. I just didn't know when. I actually thought it wasn't be till like another week or so, December 13th. That's what everyone's talking about. This big day, December 13th, could be a big crash. I was thinking that possibly, but damn, it happened a little sooner. But you know, I don't know. It's kind of fishy to me. Is it a fake out? That's another thing you gotta understand. It could be a big fake out too, where they just fake all y'all out, make you guys panic sell. Which I told you guys is the worst thing to fucking do. Panic sell. Don't ever fucking panic sell. That's what they want you to do. Is sell low, and they can buy low, and then they fucking raise it up high, and then you end up buying high again, and you keep on doing the same shit and keep on fucking losing them. So no, I suggest don't panic sell. Hodl if you're already, you know, if you're already low, just hodl, and then when it dips, you buy the dip. Buy the dip. Why? Because every time it dips, guess what happens? It rips back up. Okay, anything that goes down will come back up. Anything that goes up will come down. And look, we had a nice uptrend for the past 3 or 4 months since August. Bitcoin and crypto has been going up. They're gonna understand it's time for it to fucking correct. It was time. You know, so you know, maybe we're in a cycle. Somebody else is talking about a possible lengthening cycle. Benjamin Cohen is another guy I follow on YouTube. He's pretty good, man. He got some good charts and actually, I'll pull it up. He pulled up this. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. This possible scenario lengthening chart. So look at this, okay? This is the crypto market trend line. Okay, you guys gotta see this. Look at this. Look at this cycle that we've been in. Okay, if you guys look at it from all the way over here, from 2011 when it started. Okay, look at the peaks, and look at where we are now. We haven't even touched the top of that line up there, that peak. We have not even touched the top of the fucking trend line. So to say that we've peaked over here, you know, at 66K, I don't think so. And look, that dip that happened, look how far it is. It's literally a blip in the map. It's a fucking blip. So you guys freaking the fuck out. Calm the fuck down, okay? You know, it's a blip in the fucking map, okay? So in this bull cycle, look at all the previous bull cycles. It's gone to the top of this dotted line. And over here, we have not gone there yet. So what he's saying and what a lot of people are suggesting is that this is a lengthening bull cycle, that this is going to extend a little longer than the other ones. So, you know, that we're going to just chill over here for a little bit, maybe come down to the red line a bit, and then continue to come back up, you know, until we hit that green line. You know, that green line right there, when we hit it there and there and there is usually the sign of when we're going to probably correct. We haven't even come close to that shit yet. Look, we haven't even come close. So yeah, I got a feeling that we might still be in this market and maybe just be a longer bull market than it usually is. And if so, honestly, that's a great thing for all of us. Okay, be happy with that. If it's taking longer to finally get to the top, that's actually great for all of us. Okay, so know that. Another one I want to show you guys. Okay, another chart. Check this out. Look at this. Okay, look at this shit. Okay, this is the last bull cycle from 2016. Okay, and set to 18. Look at this. Every time we've gone up, what's happened? 38% drop, 38% drop, 33, 36, 30. Like, does it look like a straight line to you guys? But I tell you guys, we don't go up in a fucking straight line. Nothing in this game that goes in a straight line. So look at this shit. And it goes up, corrects almost 40% each time before it continues to go back up. So look at that shit, okay? Pay attention to that, guys. Pay attention. So, you know, we just did a basically 38% drop exactly to the T, which is kind of fucking nuts. So could that have been the drop? Very, very possibly. You know, it's very, very possible. But, could we go down more? That's also very possible, Like I said, anything in this fucking market is possible. You never know. Never know what the fuck is gonna happen, okay? This shit is tricky and it's meant to be tricky. That's the whole fucking point. They don't want you to fucking know. They don't want me to know. They don't want anybody to fucking know. That's the whole fucking point. And that's how they fucking rob to us. But again, have a little patience. Because what I say, everything that goes down must come up. And let me tell you another fact too, right now. Everybody, this market has been, up and down since the beginning of it, okay, since 2011, since Bitcoin started. But what's happened in the long run? It's only come up. Only come the fuck back up. Okay? Remember that. Okay, another fun fact. Everybody who panic sold the last market cycle, the last crash in 2017, 18, guess what? They're all regretting it now. Okay? All of them. I'll tell you right now. Every single one. Okay? If they had any crypto back then and they fucking sold it when it dipped, they're all crying right now. Because if they would have held it, even at the dip right now, you're still up over 1,000% from whatever the fuck you were 3 years ago. Okay? So just think about that. Have a little fucking patience, man. Y'all want to fucking moon tomorrow. It's not going to happen. Y'all want to try to get rich tomorrow. Again, you're on the wrong game. It's not going to happen. You can get richer faster in this game than any other fucking game, probably for sure. But it's going to happen instantly? No. Okay? It's not. That's just how it works. So get it through your head, okay? That's just how it is, okay? All right. Anyways, what else do I got for you guys? Okay. Black Swan. Like I told you guys about Black Swan. If it plays out, like I said, December 13th, in about a week from now exactly, it's possible a big event. Things could be happening. Something in the charts I've seen, and a lot of other things I've seen. It could either two things. It can crash it really, really hard, or it can pump really, really hard. One of the two. So I don't know. I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. Since it crashed kind of a lot right now, it could be a pump. At that day, it could be. It could be a big fake out, and everybody sold already this week, and you're scared. Like right now, the market's at extreme fear, which is good. Okay, it's good if you understand investing. That's good. This is the times you want to buy when it's extreme fear. You don't want to buy when it's fucking extreme greed. That's when you want to sell, which we were at about a few weeks ago. So, but in perfect time to sell. We're now at extreme fear, extreme greed. So this is the perfect time, I'd say, to buy because this is when all the billionaires and all the hedge funds and all the guys manipulating the market is buying. When y'all are fearful, okay? And what did I tell you? I quote, Warren Buffett: "Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful." Okay? So right now, other people are scared shitless. Y'all should be greedy. Okay? When other people are fucking jumping for joy, fearless, that's when y'all should be fearful. That's why I was scared because everyone's all jumping for joy the last couple of weeks. I'm like, getting a little worried because all y'all jumping for fucking joy, making all this money. I'm like, shit, that's the perfect time. That's the perfect recipe for a little liquidation play, and niggas fucking take all your shit. Okay? Anyways, let me go to the charts. Okay, and let me show you guys some shit, I guess, what I see. Let's go to the Chizia charts. Okay, let's go. DXY, first things first, right? DXY, US dollar, see how it's doing. Still looking pretty healthy. It's been chilling. I thought it was gonna pump up like crazy since Bitcoin dropped, but it's just kind of been chilling. Maybe it's setting up for a pump up right here. Boom, boom, and eventually it's gonna shoot up, bong, and once that happens, well, you know what's gonna happen. Then we're gonna go down more. That's just how it is. More money goes into DXY, like it's been an uptrend right here. Then less money goes on investments. All, not just us, crypto, stocks, everything, housing, everything, you fucking name it. Okay, so maybe it's chilling here before it shoots back up again. And if that's the case, well, you know it's the case. We're going to go down a little more. But again, inflation happened. We print out more US dollars this year than ever in history, 40% in the last year. So, if we have more quantity, how can our value go higher? That's the thing with me. So I don't know, maybe this could be a big fake out trick and we just go boom and go bang and come back down and say, if that happens, guess what? We come back up. Come back up. Bitcoin and crypto comes back up. Okay, look, here goes Bitcoin right here. Let's look at Big Daddy Bitcoin. Told you, it passed my resistance right here. That scared me. But look, we bounced up really, really well. And now our test is testing this big wedge that I've had for a long time. I know I have a lot of wedges right here, but this big one right here, this big giant one. I'm gonna zoom up a little more. This big giant one that's been in right here. Look, boom, it's been this big giant wedge, right? It popped out of it. Boom. This could be the possible retest. Bounce back, fake out to scare all you guys. Come back, fake out to, and then on its way up. That could be, it could be very, very possible. Like I say, we already did our 38%. Like, you want to see my showing that one chart? It said 30%. Look at this shit. This is kind of nuts how to the T this is. Put this down to here. What's that say, guys? 37, 38%, huh? Fuck. It's kind of nuts, though, huh? I showed you guys that chart how it dips 38% every time before it bounces with click, which just did at 38%. So maybe that could be the bottom. In a bullish scenario, that would be it. And that's why you say you buy the dips. Okay? Look, so it dipped here, dipped really hard below it, came back, now it's testing the line. Just good. It's good signs. That said, if it dips some more, if it breaks this barrier right here again, which I have it about 46,000, 46, yeah, 46 and a half. If it breaks that, well, then the next resistance point is going to be 43, okay, right here, right around here. And if it breaks that, well, then we're going, either to this limit or right here around 40,000. And if we break all that, well, then this is the last resistance point right over here around 39,000. Yeah, literally exactly 39,000, okay? And that's the bottom of that wedge I have. And I think, and it's if you really, really, really want to do a scare off, it can come all the way down here, scare the fuck out of you guys, fake you guys out, and then boom, bounce here, slowly come back up. Okay? Again, and everything in the market, we're always going to come back up, and it never goes back down. Okay? Like let me show you guys something too. And when in doubt, zoom out. Okay? Let me show you, put things in perspective. Okay? Let's go back in history. Okay, guys? Look, when the market crashed before, what's happened? What's happened? Okay, when it's crashed before, what's happened? We've gone back up. We've only gone back up. So imagine if you're the sucker back here who sold. Let's say we're down here. Let's say you fucking sold right here. When we go down more or whatever, you never bought back in. Well, shit. What the fuck happened after that? What the fuck happened to that? Up, come back and chill, but up, 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 up. What the fuck happened after that? We've gone all the way up there. So look at this. If you just held on tight, held on tight for and yeah, it was like a few years correction, 2 to 3 years. Again, this is investing, it's not the lotto. Again, but in 2 to 3 years, this is over a few thousand%. This is Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin did that, all the smaller coins did a few, 10,000%, or some stupid shit. So if you would have just held on, exactly, you'd be in the fucking moon. Even with this correction, look, even with this dip, look how high you are from fucking down here. Like, look how high you are, okay? And look, in a few years, this thing in a few years is going to be a blip. It's going to be like this, okay? In a few years. And if we go all the way to, we're going to come back down to dip to 100,000, you'll still be up. You'll still be up, okay? Think about it, y'all. Long run, guys. Come on. Have patience. It's a long run game. And at the end of the day, look, we're still fucking babies. This is still going to keep going and going and going, okay? So that's how it is. That's Bitcoin. Let me show you some other stuff. MATIC was having a nice rip earlier, but now it's chilling, but it's still looking pretty healthy compared to the other guys. Okay, let me go zoom in a little bit. A lot of these other guys dipped a lot harder. MATIC, it looked like it wanted to rip, and it did, but now it's back down. Came up here, now it came back down again, correct? Still looking okay, though, compared to the other guys. Some of the other guys dipped below the wedge, just when it's still up high. So, maybe it wants to run again once we all start running again. When will that happen? Nobody knows. That's all on Big Daddy Bitcoin, okay? Okay, now updates again. Remember I told you about GALA, Santa Man. I told you these guys are the fucking risky ones, okay? I told you guys that forever now. And these are my calls that I called over a month ago. And now I'm telling you about it, that I'm not, calling it anymore in the more bullish sense. I mean, long term, yes, I still love these projects. I think they're great. But short term, I think we're going to keep going down. Okay, look, it's already broke. It's already did so good. Like, that's how I know. It's already done so well. When you've done so well in one parabolic, this is parabolic movement, you're going to need a parabolic downside, okay? So that's what it's looked like it's setting up for. Parabolic downside. This is GALA. At least a long correction before we go back up. It ain't going to fucking just bounce here and go back up. That's not how it fucking works, y'all. I don't see that happening. And I see a flat line. If anything, it's going to flat line, like back here. See how flat line for a long time before we move back up? That's what it needs to do, okay? GALA, SAN, all these guys are going to have to flat line. I told you we're going to bounce back up. See, look, it bounced back up. And if you guys wanted to sell, this would have been the perfect sell point. Look how perfect this shit is. It bounced back up exactly to my fucking resistance point right here. Look at that shit. And this would have been the perfect time to sell if you guys didn't, sell a lot. This would have been the perfect time to sell and take profit. That's what I was saying. This would be, I tweeted it. I was like, this could be a good time. If it's on a bounce back, is when you want to take profit. If you guys, didn't get a chance to sell, this would be your time. And then, it's going to come back down. Look, it's going back down. It's going to keep coming back down. Maybe another bounce back, but maybe not up here anymore. It's probably going back here or whatever and bounce back down. Maybe this will be the new line at 39. Maybe that's the new bottom. Or it could be even this peak down here at 23. This could be the new bottom. You come down and chill over here for fucking a long time, weeks to months, until finally it comes back up. Okay? That saying goes with sand also. Same shit. Charts are very, very similar. Look at that. Same thing. I told you guys that 1,000% this month. I love sand, but I would not be playing with it anymore right now. I wouldn't buy back in until we dip all the way down probably to here, like $2 or something. I think it's very possible because that's the first peak over here. See that? Usually comes down to the first peak. So that's what I'm seeing. Might come down to that first peak again. Maybe not all the way down to here. No, I don't think it's gonna be coming down there. But I think, $1.20, $1.95 is possible to see sand. Even $2.50, $3, around here. This would be a possible peak, but then this is the worst case scenario peak. We can do that. But guess what? When it comes down here, I'm buying some more. That's for sure, because I believe in this project. I'll wait for it to flatline also. But that's what it's gonna do. Man, it's gonna do the same shit. Like, see? All on the same downtrend. I told you guys, look at that. My last tweets, y'all follow. I told you once it broke here, I'm like, be careful, watch out for that shit. And especially once it broke here, I was like, be very careful. I'm like, I think we going down after that. After we broke down here, I'm like, oh shit, that's it. There's no more upward trend. It's gonna be a downtrend. That's exactly what happened. We've been on a downtrend. Look, boom, boom, bam, hard. Oh my God, all the way down to 250. Came all the way back up. This would have been a perfect time to buy back. Look again, back to my fucking resistance. Look at that. Look at right back to my wedge. That's what it does usually. It drops down like crazy, comes right back and tests the wedge. And that's the perfect time to sell if you guys didn't get a chance to, or take profit. And now look, reject it. Now I'm on its way back down. It's probably going to come back down to here. I can see it. And then probably before it sees any more upside, guess what it's going to do? It's going to fucking come here, boom, 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 maybe in flat line here. Maybe at $1 or down here, to something for a little bit until we finally come back up again. And that's what I see. I'm being real with you guys. I'm not being one of these fucking moon boy motherfuckers who's like, oh, just keep buying. It's a great project. Keep buying. See, I love these projects too, but guess what? I ain't telling y'all to do that. I'm telling y'all, be smart. Take profits when you can, and be smart. Alice, okay. Updated my baby Alice, okay. Alice. So look, Alice, why I'm still so bullish on Alice? Yes, Alice broke out of my wedge, like everything. The whole fucking market crashed, so what can you expect? But compared to fucking Mana, San, and Alice, which are all the way up here. Look at that drop. Alice is still technically down here, which you guys don't understand. It's still, in the grand scheme of things, we have not gone parabolic yet with Alice. We have not even come close. So you guys are still buying at the bottom. That's what you guys don't understand. This is still technically the bottom before Alice can be. Or Alice will be, because it ain't gonna be here. Look, we're still at the fucking bottom. Look at this shit, okay? Still at the bottom. You know. There's never. Have you seen any parabolic movement yet, like the other guys? No. You're still at the bottom. And right now, look, you're buying it. Right now would be the perfect time to buy, because you are buying it at the fucking low. Look at this shit, okay? Look at this. And then what do I see? I see it possible. Like we came down now, and I thought we were gonna maybe maybe retouch this last one. I think we could still maybe, but now I'm looking possibly bouncing up at around 11. Still could do a double bottom, then bounce back up. Or the lowest I could see us going down is hitching this line right here that it touched before. So look, that would be around $10. $10 owls. And guess what I'm gonna fucking do when we get there? I'm fucking buying more. Okay? I'm gonna buy more. Why? Because this is what you do with projects you believe in. You buy the dips. Okay, and you ride it up. That's what you do. Okay, when you find a project that you love and you believe in, you buy the dips, because the moment it goes back up, and you say you wish you fucking bought it. Okay? And why I'm still, still bullish now is because look, the lowest can go what, $5? Like, it ain't like Mana and GALA that's all the way up there where it can go stupid low. Like, again, those gone parabolic. This one has not. So we go, I can see it, maybe it's hitting 10, maybe chilling here before we move back up. But again, you're still good over here. Okay? You're still technically good compared to the rest of these motherfuckers, okay? Again, when is it gonna go back? I don't fucking know. It all depends on when the fucking bull market decides to go back up, when the Bitcoin decides to go back up, and I can't control that. Nobody can. So you just gotta sit and wait. But yeah, and I'll tell you what I'm doing. I told you what I'm doing already. I'm gonna be buying the dips. I already bought some of the dips. If it dips more, shit, I'm gonna buy more. That's what I'm gonna do. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Mobox, another one I'm also bullish on. Again, this one is looking strong too. It did a big rally up yesterday when everything else was dipping. Now it's dipping again below it. But this is why I'm still so bullish. Like some of the other ones, oh shit, I moved my trend line. I gotta fix that. Hold on. Boom. Okay. So some of the other ones dipped stupid low. Like even YG fell all the way below its fucking trend line before from this resistance. This one is still steady above it. Mobox is still steadily hanging above it. Came up, came out, it's testing here. It didn't even touch this line yet. I'm like, damn, I would expect it to at least touch this line, maybe and go below it, fake out, and come back down to. Didn't even do that yet. So strong, strong signs right there. There's really strong signs that want to continue to go up. Mobox is another great project. If you don't understand, go fucking research that shit. They have so many great gaming, things behind it, and so many good projects behind it. It's incredible. I think it's incredible. I think it's gonna be fucking massive. Oh, maybe this could be it right here. Maybe that could be the trend line. Oh, that could be it. Yeah, it looks actually really similar, really good. Um, but yeah, I think this is gonna be huge. This could be the next, Gala type play. Again, like a lot of great projects underneath it. It will blow up. A lot of big backers behind it. This is already massive in other countries, so check it out. Okay, Hero, another one too. I was telling you guys to look out for. Also, in the grand scheme of things, compared to the other ones, also still looking bullish. Like the other guys dipped like like a motherfucker, 40, 50%. This one is still, it dipped like all, like everything, but it's still strong compared to the other ones. So, good signs for Meta Hero. That it's, if when we come back up, we might want to shoot the fuck back up. So pay attention to that. Look, at 18 cents right now, that's a steal. Okay, I'm telling you, that's a stupid steal. This project is not going to be 18 cents for much longer. By next year, probably over a dollar easily. And you don't believe me, just go look it up and see what the fuck it is. It's fucking nuts, okay? Motherfuckers gonna be able to scan your fucking body and face and put your ass in the goddamn metaverse. Your actual self, okay? That looks like you. Okay? They get 3D fucking scan cameras and shit like fucking all around. You go stand in there for a second and do some and they fucking take your whole body and image, throw you in a fucking metaverse, okay? You can throw yourself in Blocktopia and all these other yeah, it's pretty nuts. Yeah, go check it out and you'll see why. So I don't think it's gonna be, 18 for much longer, okay? OG fan. Oh yeah, I'll talk about that other thing. Oh, let's go to YGG though. YGG, another one. YGG, man, that one. This one is crazy. This one dipped way harder than expected. Way below the fucking line, past the resistance, past this one too, and now it's down here. But what's good news about this? Well, good news about this is that now, if you guys want to fucking buy, this looks like the fucking bottom. Look at this. Look at this. Bottom right here. At $5 right here. Bottom. Like, how much lower can you fucking go? Like, this is what you guys want to buy it at. This is when this shit finally moons, and it will moon, I promise you. This is an amazing project. This is gonna be fucking huge next year, guaranteed. When it finally does, you're gonna look back like, oh, I wish I bought it down here. When King Cody was telling me to fucking buy it, it said bought it up here because that's all. Yeah, idiots. That's what I fucking told you guys. You know. So this one, you want to talk about incredible buying opportunity? Yeah, this is an incredible buying opportunity. I ain't gonna fucking lie. I already got my bags packed. I've actually bought a little more. And right now it is at the possible bottom. This could be the bottom of the bottom. Like, maybe it goes down a little bit more, but like I don't see any further bottom to you. Like, like fuck, maybe down to four. Like, how far is that? Ain't nothing. Again, great buying opportunity. If you know how big this project actually is and what it's gonna do, you guys have no idea the partnerships that it fucking has. Like, it's only gonna go up. Like, y'all crazy. Like it's only gonna go up. Trust me. So, great buying opportunity. I'll tell you right now. Because look, if it just goes back up to here, you're already making. Look at this. If it just goes back up to, let me show you why you guys want to buy the dips. Because look, it just goes back up to here. That's already 36%. Back to its last percent, 81%. Back to its last peak, 104%. Just to its last peak. Not even going parabolic yet. Just up to here. Okay, look at that. So come on, man. That's why you do that. Okay. Played App was another gaming coin, that I also like. Damn, it took a huge dip. Once it came on Binance the other time, came back down. But again, where's that perfect buying opportunity also? You know, these are lows that you want to get it at because, when it comes back later on and it goes back to the moon, you're like, fuck, I should have bought it here. Played App, another big company, has a lot of phone games that's going to be possibly very, very huge too. And Wax P. I was telling you guys about Wax, another one that I really love, another gaming coin. Broke out of my resistance line. Boom. Now it's over here testing this part over here. This could be, again, another great buying opportunity. 41 cents. Like, Jesus Christ. Wax is a credible gaming blockchain. You have no idea. I showed you, partnership with big time It's gonna be fucking massive, and all these other games. Like, oh my god, it's gonna be fucking huge. Wax is fucking huge. Got Splinterlands on it. Got so many fucking games. Okay, Wax is gonna be huge. Okay, another great buying opportunity. 41 cents. Wax is gonna be 41 cents for long. Trust me. Let's go back to the map. Look where you guys buying it down here. When it was all up here, you guys are scared. When you go all up here, you guys are like, I wish I could buy it down here. Now it's down here. You're like, no, I'm scared to buy it. That's what you guys don't understand. If you guys like a project, learn about it. If you guys love it, buy it. Hold on until it goes, and that's just how it is. Okay. You know, um, and that's it. Those are the games. There's a lot of other stuff too. Crowcoin again, taking a little dip. It did a nice pump already for a while. It might be time for a correction. Look, it did a nice little pump for a long time. Broke out of its resistance. Could be correction time. I thought it was going to go to a dollar. It actually did go to a dollar for a second. That was it. Now, time to chill. Again, probably chill, maybe flatline around here, 50 cents for a little bit, maybe even like 48 cents around here. I can see that doing until it finally comes back up. Yeah, and Crowcoin, long term, I'm still very bullish in Crowcoin. I think this is going to be one of the biggest exchanges in the world. Like literally, I think it's so the marketing that they're doing is bigger than any other exchange out there. Binance, you name it, it's doing way marketing than that. And yeah, the simplicity of use, the ease of it, it's and just everything. They took over Staples Center, Crypto.com Arena. It's gonna be massive by next year, guaranteed. We're not gonna see Crypto.com at 50 cents for long. Okay, that bitch is gonna be in a few dollars, $10 or more. Okay, and you know what? I think that's it. This video is longer than I want it to be. I don't want to make these long ass videos too long. I keep on getting longer because I'm trying to give you guys everything I can and update you guys. So I think I did. What else do I want to tell you? Oh, one last thing I want to tell you guys about is why am I so bullish on the gaming coins? Okay, let me tell you my theory on why I'm still so bullish and why I'm still so invested in gaming coins. Okay, first off, you guys understand the gaming market. I told you guys before, it's fucking massive. Okay, it's bigger than the fucking music and movies industries combined. Combined. Think about that. Think about that. And now that they're making a transition to crypto market, it's going to be a matter of time till it's fucking game over, till they take over. All these fucking blockchains and all these other motherfuckers that are top right now, guess what? They're not going to be on top anymore. All these exchanges, Solana, all these guys are in big top right now. Guess what? Eventually, they're going to be taken over by the gaming coins. Yes, I said it. I will say it again. They will be taken over. Okay? Because look at this. The gaming coin, all the market cap for all the gaming coins combined right now, is less than Shiba fucking Inu. Think about that. That's fucking nuts. Okay? The moment one of these games go up to there, and then the rest of them goes, it's over. It's fucking over. Trust me, game over. Another reason why I'm so bullish on the gaming coin and why I'll tell you guys right now, why I think the gaming coins could be a hedge against the crypto market crashing. Okay? Listen really closely. Why? Okay, because when the crypto market crashes, what goes up? NFTs. Okay? If you guys didn't know that, I'm telling you right now, NFTs goes up when crypto market crashes. Why? Not sure why, but this is how it works. It happened early this summer, okay? In May, when we had the crypto crash earlier. You guys are here. Crypto crash, Bitcoin crash, everything crashed. Guess what the fuck went up? NFTs. NFTs flew the fuck up, okay? Crypto punks, all these motherfuckers went the fuck up. Why? Possibly because Ethereum was down and gas fees for Ethereum were cheap as fuck. So everybody was buying a shitload, okay, and trading it. Okay? Gas fees for Ethereum is a fucking pain in the ass. $150, $200, sometimes more. But in a bear market when crypto's down, that should get to like $50, $20 for gas fees. It's amazing. So when you buy fucking, NFTs or minting them, it'll cost you a fucking fraction when you do it on a fucking crypto bull market. So that's probably why. So if NFTs go up when crypto goes down, again, why am I so bullish on games? Because all these games are NFT based. Yes, y'all. Think about it. All of these games, all of these blockchain games, all these crypto games are now NFT based. That means everything you fucking own in there, buy, sell, trade, they're all NFTs. Your characters, NFTs, your suits, your clothes, your armor, your sword, whatever you create in there in a sandbox. If you create a house, that's an NFT. You create a painting, that's NFT. You create a fucking monster, whatever, it's an NFT that you could buy, sell, and trade. Okay? So all these blockchains are NFT based. Think about that. So if crypto goes down and NFT goes up, think about it. And not only that, when the market crashes or if it crashes, do you think people are going to stop playing games? No. What the fuck? Ask the gamers in here. Hell no. If anything, they're going to play more games. Now you got more time in your fucking hands. What are you gonna do? Fucking play games. And now, if you can fucking play a game and actually earn money for it, like Axie Infinity and some of these other play to earn games, guess what, y'all? Game fucking over. Okay? Now you wanna know why I'm so fucking bullish on these gaming coins? Why I'm not fucking shilling you guys all these other somebody asked, why don't you do some Web3 coins or something like Elon Musk? Like, motherfucker, do I look like Elon Musk? Come on, man. Do I got billions of dollars to invest on easier coins that's gonna yield a little bit less? No, first you don't. So I want to get those fucking degenerate gainers that's going to generate, fucking stupid, retarded fucking percentage gains. Okay, I want to pick the ones that I think are going to gain the most money, period. I think the gaming coins will. I think they will even after crypto and Bitcoin crashes. So that's why I'm giving you that. If you don't like it, I don't know, go follow somebody else that's going to give you the other ones. I'm trying to give you, I'm here to make money. I don't know what the fuck you here for. I'm here to fucking make as much money as possible. And that's the whole fucking point. And that's what I'm here for. So that's it. That's basically all I got. Updating the market. I'm gonna try to update you guys some more. Can we dip any more? Like I said, it's possible. So hold on tight. What I say, if we do, have some cash ready. Have some cash on standby. If we do have a crazy black market, black swan event, and we go down to fucking 30,000, let's say Bitcoin, everything else is gonna drop even more, even 10,000. Someone is saying the worst case scenario, Bitcoin goes to 10. I don't know. That's a little crazy. And if Bitcoin goes to 10, then everything in the fucking market's gonna crash like 80%. Okay. Well, what I suggest, have some fucking money standby to buy that dip, okay? Because let me tell you, the last time this happened, the last Black Swan event that happened, March of 2020, when when COVID was first announced, everything dropped. It dropped down 80%. But guess what it did? Fucking bounced right the fuck back up, V-shape within a month. And then since then, we've been on our fucking way to the fucking moon. Okay? Okay? So think about that, okay? So if we do anything that rips really hard, it's going to dip really hard. So anything that dips really hard is going to rip really hard. Okay? So have some money ready to buy that dip. I already bought some dips right now, but I have some more money ready to buy if it dips even more. If it dips crazy, if we go to 10 and let's say if Alice and all my calls, if Alice goes down to fucking $5 or some stupid shit, guess what the fuck I'm doing? Okay? I'm scooping the fuck out of that shit. Okay? I'll tell you right now. I don't care what y'all do. I'm gonna do that. Whatever coins you guys love, I suggest you do the same thing. Scoop the shit out of it because when it rips back up, you're like, fuck. I wish I bought that dip. Okay, that's why you buy the dip because every time it comes back up, everybody says the same thing. I wish I bought that dip. So don't be that guy. All right. Anyways, I think that's enough. That's all I got for you guys. Okay. Till next time, y'all. I'll keep you guys updated. Make another video soon. Everything's going on. All right. All right, y'all. Peace.